Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the abstraction. So let's start. So abstraction means showing only the necessary details of an object and hiding the internal complexity. So abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details from the user and only highlighting the set of service provided to the user. It allows you to focus on what an object does rather than how it does it. Think of it as a way to create a simple model of something in the real world. Think we are creating a model of something in a real life. Let's take a real life example. Imagine you are driving a car. You don't need to know how the engine works or how the transmission system operates, or let's say how the fuel injection system functions. You need to know how to use the steering wheels, accelerators, brakes, and the shifting gears of the vehicle. The car's internal mechanisms are abstracted away from you, and you interact with through a simplified interface. We have seen the real life example of the abstraction. Now we will see how we can achieve the abstraction in programming languages. So in programming, abstraction is achieved using abstract class and the interfaces. These allow you to define a blueprint for a class without providing the full implementation. Okay, so we will see the abstract classes and the interfaces in further videos. So I will give the detailed explanation about the abstract classes and the interfaces. Let's see why the abstraction is important. So first point is simplifies complexity. So abstraction helps you manage complexity by breaking down a system into smaller, more manageable parts. So the abstraction helps you to manage the complexity by breaking down the system into smaller parts. As we have smaller parts, then it is more manageable. So next point is reusability. By defining abstract classes or interfaces, you can create reusable code that can be extended by the other classes. So next point is security. It hides the internal details of how the class works, so you can change the implementation without affecting the rest of the code. So we know that the abstraction hides the implementation details from the user, or the user does not know how the class works, what technology we have used in the backend part. So the programmer will be easy to change the backend part without affecting anything. So this is all about the abstraction. In further video we will learn about the abstract class, interfaces. So thank you for watching this video.